All right, today we are on lesson 8.4 in chapter 8, and our essential question is, how can you use a 100 chart to count on by ones or tens? All right, so here's our 100 chart, and our question is, Alice picks 12 flowers. So first and foremost, let's find 12. So here's 12 right here. Alice picks 12 flowers. Then she picks 4 more flowers. How many flowers does Alice pick? All right, so we've done counting on before. So that's all we're doing here. Instead of using a number line, we're using a hundreds chart. So I'm starting at 12, and I know Alice is picking 4 more flowers. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to jump forward. So I know she's picking 1, 2, 3, 4 more flowers. So how many flowers does Alice have now? She has 16 flowers now. Okay, so that's the same as me saying 12 plus 4. Okay, but instead of solving like this, I'm using a 100ths chart to solve. Okay. All right, the next one says, Ella picks 10 strawberries. So we are starting at, let me grab a different color. We are starting at 10, right? She picks 10 strawberries. So here we are, we're starting at 10. Then she picks 20 more strawberries. How many strawberries does Ella pick? Now, I can go from here and count 20 more. Or, since we've been using our 10 blocks, counting by tens, I could go down by tens here. So I know I start with 10 strawberries, and I know I picked 20 more, right? So I know I'm starting here. I can count down 10, 20. And where does that leave me? At 30, which is the same as saying 10 plus 20, right? Which equals 30. All right, let's try some more on the next page. All right, and you'll still have your hundreds chart here on the next page. So let's focus here on this model and draw. So this is what we're doing. We're counting on a hundreds chart to find a sum. And we know that sum means that we're adding. So I want to add 24 plus 4. I'm going to go back to blue because you can see that a little better. So I'm adding 24 plus 4. So here they're showing me I started at 24 and I want to add 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I ended up at 28. Okay? And it tells me here I start at 24 and I count on 4 ones. So that means I count on 25, 26, 27, and 28. And I'm going to go down here and I'm going to do the same thing here. 31 plus 40. Now, on the other one, we were counting by tens. And in this case, we can also count on by tens. So how many tens can I count on? I'm going to count on 4 tens. So let's start at 31. And when I count by tens, I go straight down. So here I am right here. I'm starting at 31, and I'm counting down 4 tens. So 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and 4 tens. So that leaves me at 71. So I started at 31, and I counted on 4 tens because I have 40 here, and I know 40 is equal to 4 tens. Okay? All right, let's look at our problems down here. Are we focused? Focus. There we go. Oh, let me focus back up here because we're still going to use this hundreds chart. How's that? All right, so I'm at 42 plus 7. So this one I probably am not going to count by tens, right? Because I'm just still in the one, so I'm going to count on by ones. So first I need to find 42, because it's 42 plus 7. So here's 42 right here. I'd have a dot right there. I'm going to count on 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I end up at 49. All right, let's try the next one. 57 plus 30. Now in this case, am I going to go by ones or tens? That's right, I'm going to go by tens because this is 30, and I know 30 has 3 tens in it. So let's find 57. Here we are. Here's 57 right here. And I'm going to count. Remember, if I'm counting by tens on the number chart, I go down. And I'm going to go down for 3 tens. So 1, 2, 3. And that leaves me at 87. All right, let's try this one. So 91 plus 5. Am I counting by on by ones or tens? That's right, I'm counting on by ones. So let's start at 91. Here we are right here. And I'm going to count on 5. Whoop. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I land at 96. All right, so now here I am, 18 plus 50. So am I counting on by ones or tens? Tens, right? And I'm counting on by how many tens? 5. So let's start at 18. Where's 18? Here we are right here. And remember, when we're counting by tens, we go down. So I'm counting on 5 tens. So 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, which gives me 68. Okay. And then you're doing the same thing on the next page, okay? So on your own, I want you to complete this page. I want you to do this one, and then numbers 5 through 10, okay? You don't have to do 11. And I will post answers for you. And then also you can go ahead and work on this page if you would like and do numbers 1 through 5 for extra practice. All right, I will see you guys next time.